show with young tech innovators. Now, India has been at the receiving end of innumerable terror attacks. The recent attack in Mumbai on the 26th of November last year was another grim reminder of the inadequacy of our prevalent security systems. Our next young achiever is hoping to change all of that with his high-tech security surveillance system. There's the story of Kritikal Secure Scan. Ahmedabad, 26 July 2008. That last outside the civil hospital, gate 29. Guwahati, 30th October 2008. 62 killed and over 300 injured as 12 high-intensity serial blasts ripped through crowded market areas. Mumbai, 26 November 2008. Explosion in a city taxi near the international airport. There is more than one thing common in these attacks. A strategic location, crowded with people, and the modus operandi, the use of car bombs. Dire necessity is the mother of this next innovation. Kritikal Secure Scan, an IIT Delhi incubated spin-off that commercializes existing technologies and research to address real-world problems. Brainchild of two IIT graduates, Kapil and Anup, Kritikal Scan is a patent-pending technology that uses image processing and computer vision to scan through a car's underbelly to reduce the threat of a car carrier bomb.
First of all, the system provides a very clear high-resolution image of the underside, and also now with the fresh algorithm, we can detect any unwanted objects to the underside. So it sort of reduces the manual intervention to check the underside. Now it's going to be very difficult for somebody to really fix the underside through a mirror, because it's a very cumbersome method. It takes about 2 minutes for anybody to really go throughout the car and check through a mirror. Now with this system, within seconds, not just you get a high-resolution image, but also a automated alarm if there is anything attached to the underside.
And automating security and surveillance practices, Kritikal manufactures ZenScan indigenously in its plant in Himachal Pradesh. Using an embedded camera assembly, this smart security system takes a line-by-line image of the vehicle's underbody as it passes over the device and stitches it together into a consolidated picture that gets displayed on the monitor in real time. And with template images of vehicle underbody stored in the system database to allow a comparison, ZenScan software is able to detect any foreign object that could be a potential threat. So what has been the demand for ZenScan post-2611?
For about 1.5 years, we were developing this particular product. Last year, we sold about 12 units for this, about $500,000 of business. This year, we have seen about 150% growth in the business volume. And increasingly, we believe as the concept of checking the underside through automated method catches up, there will be a lot of new segments which will open up. For example, railways has now, come up with this huge requirement of about 150 units in all the railway stations. So we see that high government secure installations as well as private sector would increasingly be a target for this kind of product.
And with a client list that includes critical government installations like the Maharashtra State Police Headquarters, the Vidhan Sauda in Karnataka and the SEBI Bhavan in Mumbai, Kritikal is confident of faster growth. So what more do they need to do to stay ahead of the curve?
I think the big issue in this is the focus only on products. On a particular product or a particular technology, they'll die. So they have to keep innovating and say, okay, what do you want? I'll build that. What do you want? I'll import that. What do you want? I'll build that or import that. So they have to focus on the target audience, which is all the central government or state government institutions that are going to invest in security, and then quickly get the best of the world security, either build it in-house or get it from anywhere in the world and sell it.
And that will be imperative as Kritikal attempts to capture the 2,000 crore rupee global security surveillance market. Mapping its global footprint with installations of the ZenScan in Sri Lanka, Kenya and Bangladesh. Coming up next is a mass surveillance product called VehiScan, an automated number plate reading system to detect, read and store a moving vehicle's number plate. So what else is in store for the future?
ZenScan, with a foreign object detection, we see a large market. We also see automated license plate reading system again coming up as a large market where, you would have a scenario of a city surveillance where this license plate readers are installed at all the toll nakas and centrally connected. So this would act as a stolen and suspicious vehicle detection module, which we see would be a large size project market. Also, we are quite capable of adding more products into physical security and surveillance, primarily on camera-based systems.
With venture funding of 3 crore rupees from AG Ventures, the Technology Development Board and ICICI under their SPREAD program, this technology design house is well equipped to add to its product portfolio in the future. So how can Kritikal now take its product to the masses?
I think one piece of advice to them would be that they have done some good R&D, they have good products. They really must benchmark themselves with globally available products and figure out for themselves a path which competes effectively with those products in their markets.
The winner of the NASSCOM Innovation Award for Market Innovation and New Technology in 2008, we wish Kritikal Secure Scan the very best of luck.